Hello, today we're looking at Feren OS 17.8 and wow, this is a full operating system. I will try to run through it. If you want to see it everything, because I won't click on everything, we'll just talk about it, show some of the main things, and yeah, but if you want to see a video where I click on every single thing, please look at my other channel, in my other video, where I click on everything and you will find it in the description right there. Just with background music. Here, we are greeted with the welcoming screen, the welcome app. This is the same one which Ubuntu Bachi is using. So there's a lot of, you will also find a lot of Ubuntu made welcome app in this. As you can see, this is based on Linux, on Linux Mint 18.2 Sonia, Cinnamon desktop, and as it's based on Linux Mint, it's also based on Ubuntu and Debian, because that's the same as Linux Mint. As you can see, if you go here to install the software, you get links to Snap apps, Flatpak apps. This will take you to sites online where you can download and install it from. And you also get the GNOME Software Center, the 3.20 version. Default settings, it takes you back to your current layout, your panel layout. Online store, community, and all this stuff. The online store and donate is still under construction. Click on it. As you can see, it's still under construction, but I'm sure they will soon. If you were wondering what this button do, it's a full screen button. But this is all I'm going to speak about the welcome app, because there's so many things. This is a very heavy operating system. If I go to system monitor, I want to show it to you while I'm running this. As you can see, I got 3 CPUs running at the same time, idling them all more than 50%, and at least 1.1 gigabyte of RAM when idling. This is quite a strong CPU usage system, but they got some very nice themes. If you go to Themer, you get all the Feren themes. So you can see the light default, dark, tablet mode, and dark tablet mode. Windows themes. Here is the start of the creative parts. They got a Windows 10 theme, but you have to install it, and this takes some time, because nothing seems to happen after this, and it irritates me a bit, because I want to move on and show you next things, but this takes some time. But when you install one, it installs both of them. It is the same with Windows 7, Vista. I don't know why you want Vista, but they got Vista, they got XP themes, and they got Windows 3.1 theme. Let's install this one also. There's all the Windows themes. Then they got the Apple themes, as you can see, Mac OS. Because we are installing one, we can't install more than one. And so you can install Mac OS themes for your computer, Linux themes, Ubuntu, popular Numix Arts, to mention a few, and Mint. And of course, more coming soon. And Google themes, Chrome OS. So there's so many themes to choose from. I'm going to talk about it, and while we're talking, the Windows 10 theme will pop up sometime when release expected, so it takes some time. And then we got a dark mode also, which will take us back to the Feren dark mode. If you click on it, as you can see, we got these desk LEDs, and you can add some more here. I don't really like them, to be absolutely honest with you, but they are here, and they work decently well. So let's add like the system monitor desk LED. I'm sorry for getting so stuck in all the words today. At the desktop, you can move it. As you can see, it's quite easy to manage, and there's a lot of backgrounds to choose from. Beautiful. I love the look of the system. It's a lot of work. It's not an easy layout, but it's a beautiful, beautiful operating system. As you can see, they got a mint backgrounds also here, mixed in with the rest. Let's go to settings, and let's say play slideshow, random order, and every 1 minute. So then while we are talking, you will see some backgrounds. It's awesome. The panel, as you can see, it changed according to the theme you got, but the default theme is updated. As you can see, it's user management update center, and you can also update, and it's a sound a bit. I don't know what it is. I presume this may be battery. Messaging, weather. You can choose your country, Celsius, and all this lovely stuff. It's quite cool. And of course, this is a bit strange. Here's all your notifications. If you click on one, you try to click on other one, okay, it might just go like this arrow button might just flip around, and then you have to just change it yourself. Let's go back to Femur and see how, as you can see, we got Windows 10 now, and if you click on it, as you can see, everything changed to Windows layout. And dark, even you got your date here and stuff like that. If you open up files, as you can see, it looks very well done. And I just want to go to an Apple theme maybe. Let's go Sierra. And of course this will take some time, but I will just run it in the background while we are talking. If you continue now, we can go to our system settings. The menu looks the same for all of them. And you got your Femur, which we have already looked quite a lot at. And then you also got your themes. And here you can choose between many themes, icon themes, button controls themes, mouse pointers, and desktop. This is quite crazy, eh? I'm going to choose desk. This is the Windows theme. As you can see, we are using again a beautiful, interesting theme, which is quite good. And in the system settings, as we go back, here is your familiar Linux Mint system settings. So I won't really run through them. You can look at our system is Feren OS, Cinnamon 3.4.6, kernel 4.8. So it's the same as Linux Mint. And it's the latest of LibreOffice 4.3. It comes with Vivaldi as the default browser. 1.11, so it's all the latest stuff. And yeah. So let's close the Femur, as we are basically finished with this video. As you can see, this is Vivaldi 1.11. You can choose between different themes. And you can manage things as you want. It's quite cool. This is just very cool stuff. I love it. And if you go back to the Apple macOS, as you can see, macOS got quite a few already now. Let's see how it looks, and we'll go click on the yes, we want to restart it. And there we go. We got a Mac theme now. We got a little dog. And we got a little boy here at the top, menu bar, and all the things here. It's quite cool. So yeah, so basically this is it. We go to dark mode and we click on it. It will switch us to the dark mode of Feren. So no matter what theme you are running, this dark mode will take immediately back to your Feren layout, the dark theme, which is quite cool. So yeah, that's basically it. I like it. It's a very heavy operating system, but it's so good, and the heaviest thing is when it's choosing its layout, but you won't do it all the time. You might do it once a month or only once in your usage, and that's fine. The rest of the time it's a great up-to-date, it's a rolling release, and you can really, really enjoy it. And all Ubuntu apps will run on it. And also, if you can go to the Linux Mint forums, and they will also be able to help you out. So it's a great supported an operating system with a lot into graphics and changing as you want it, and it's awesome. So yeah, I like it. I think it's a bit heavy CPU wise, but otherwise great system. Thank you for watching. See you later. Goodbye.